Know you've been a good friend, and that's through the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to use my generator for the first time, and first I had to undo the ratchets that I had it tied down with, but I didn't remember how to do it, so I watched a quick video on YouTube, which was really easy. Basically, you put your 2 fingers here, push that down, this opens, and then right inside here you pull this down and it'll loosen it up. And then all I had to do was take this S hook out of there, and everything's still tied the same way. I can reconnect them both back up again, because I didn't untie anything on either end. The other side's all hooked up still. I have mine secured on my cargo carrier with this huge lock, and I have another lock, my bike lock over there, so I can still use my bike lock if I need to. And the people at the store that put my platform together already hooked up the battery. I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but they did, so I appreciate it. So now I need to put the oil in, and hopefully I can do that. Let me take a look on how I do that. Be right back. Okay, it looks like the oil is right here, and they gave me oil, and they gave me a funnel with a long end on it, and it looks like there's some directions here. No oil in unit. That's telling me there's no oil in there. I gotta do it. I gotta put my oil in. So I don't want to lose my dipstick here. Actually, I'm gonna stick it in my pocket of my skirt. Yes, I might be a wilderness woman, but I do wear skirts. So then I'm going to stick the funnel in there, right there. Whoops. Right there like that. That seems, oops, that was easy. I need one of those buzzers from, is it Home Depot? That was easy. Now I have to hold this by myself, so then I'll pour the oil in. Hold on. Okay, so the directions say not to put no more than 0.6 quart. And they happen to give me exactly that much of 10W30. They give you a container that's exactly what you need for the first time. So the first time you do it, you get exactly what you need. So I'm going to just keep this container, and I'll just fill this sucker up and make sure I use this one next time. But I do have a measuring device from my old one. So I'm going to pour that in there. Whoops. There we go. Whoops. The wind almost took it. Okay, that's done. Now, I will be putting that in a plastic container, a plastic bag with my tools for this. I keep all my stuff for this together because I don't want this oil going all over the place. I'm going to stick it right back in that can for now until I decide. Till later on. Okay, so far so good. So now I need to go get my propane so that I can hook it up to my propane tank. So I have I have 2 propane tanks in the front of my rig, and I'll be using one of those propane tanks. So for now, and then later on I think I'm just going to tow a 3rd tank, small one, because I have one of those little green ones, but I don't know if that'll fit on here. But I'll check and see. Be right back. Looks like we got some company. I don't know if you can see it. I tell ya, this kid is the coolest kid. Just like my grandson's. Cool as my grand. He's been out there all day fishing. He just having a ball, having so much fun. Ethan, the little man, the little fisherman, always offering to help. Can I do something for you, Carolyn? You need help with that, Carolyn? He is such a polite young man. Reminds me of my Rocco. My grandson Rocco and my grandson Anthony. Anthony too. Anthony called me up and said, you know, Grandma, I drive now. You need anything, you call me. How sweet. He's been raised really good. Okay, now it tells me, see, this is the thing, whether I'm going to use LP or regular gasoline. So because I'm going to use LP, I want to make sure that I can get to that. So I push this, see, this moves over back and forth. So I'm pushing this over to that side. And this is the LP switch. So under here it'll say, turn it to the on position. And I did. It was on the off position. See, that was off. I turned it to the on position. So it's now in the on position. There we go. I'm reading the directions as I go along, following it. Okay? So now that it's in the on position, you need to note that only one fuel source can be chosen to operate the generator at a time. And you can't switch that yellow switch back unless the knob is in the off position, which is very logical, very, very safe. I mean, they give you this big, huge thing to do this. One side is English, one side is Spanish. And there's a number that says they're here to help. Okay, so I did not attach the battery. The people that put my rack together did that for me. They just did it, so I hope that my battery's still charged and it's not messed up because I haven't used it. It's been like this for a while, so we're gonna hope that it starts for me. Then it says flip the battery switch to the on position. Here's the battery switch. Put it on the on position. Battery switch must be turned off to prevent battery drain during periods of inactivity. Okay, that's good. Now for B, move the choke lever to the 75% choke. Okay, where's the choke lever? Now, well, I don't know where the choke is, so let's see. 9. Where's 9? Oh, here. 9B. Got to be around this side. Right here. Run is straight this way in front of here, and choke is over here, so I guess I got it on choke right. I don't know, it doesn't say 75%, so I'll put it right there and see if that works. It also has a pull thing. Worst comes to worst, I go back to starting a lawnmower. Okay, so the choke lever's in place. That was 9. Push and hold the start button until the generator starts. Do not hold the button down longer than 5 seconds. Okay, lordy, lordy. Let's try this. Uh-oh, so, oops. I forgot to put the cap back on the oil. See, we make mistakes. I'm wondering what the heck's going on. I forget to put the cap on the oil. And so oil's spit out just a little bit. it was gonna start. I didn't hold it long enough. Hold on. Okay, guys, so don't do what I did. You know, I put that cap to the oil in my, we got company, got another rig pulling in here. But I put the cap in my pocket, but forgot to put it back on the oil. So imagine this. I do have to turn that propane on. So I forgot to open the propane anyway. So we're gonna open the propane and turn it, open the propane, make sure that my propane's on. Okay, propane's open. There we go. Okay, move the oil can over here in a safe place. So the propane is on. The oil is on. Oil cap is closed. It's tight. Everything's tight. We got it on propane, which is clean gas. Now we're gonna try this ignition again. Oh, give it a minute. Gotta get some gasoline in there. I want to flood it. Oh, I think I gotta move that choke over when it runs. But it's gotta get started first. Probably not holding it long enough. It says 5 seconds. I'm afraid to hold it too long. Okay, so the bottom line is that that choke was fine right where it was. And this is what it sounds like. Now that guy with the pickup truck, he's running the same kind of generator I am. So let's see. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. And it's not going to be all night. So, yep, I'm charging the battery. It's too windy to put my solar panels out. And, too windy to put my solar panels out. Okay, I made it over the bridge, over the 97, over the Columbia River, and I am now on the Washington side of the river, coming into a field of fans. I call it a field of fans. So this is on the other side of the river from where I was camped before, and looking for some new adventures. It was a little scary going over the bridge, and not so much the bridge, but the road after the bridge, climbing up over here to get onto the 14. But I'm doing okay. Danny's a little shaky. I don't know why. Maybe her ears could be bothering her, but see what's over here. I want to check out a few things. We'll see what I come across. I'll let you know. So I moved about almost an hour away from where we were at when we first saw this boat, and I'm parked right here on the water, been a long day, and it's kind of cool here in the Pacific Northwest. So I decided to make me a pot of turkey chicken. So not turkey chicken, turkey chili. I thought out some ground turkey, no GMOs and all that good stuff, just ground turkey breasts. I think it's Jenny O, actually. I add some water. I browned my turkey breast meat. I add some water, some green peppers, some red peppers, some onions, some cumin, cayenne, little cumin, cayenne, chili pepper, and instead of tomatoes, I add Prego. It smells really good. Yum, yum. Smelling good.